Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link two Marvel Rivals accounts. First, open the game and head straight to the main menu. From there, you will want to find the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Once in Settings, look for a section labeled Account or Profile. Before proceeding, ensure you have the login information ready for both of the accounts you intend to connect. This process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. Now, within the Account section, you should see an option to link accounts or connect external account. Click on this to begin the process. You will then be prompted to choose the specific platform or service you wish to link, such as a console network or another game service. It is crucial at this stage to double-check that you are currently logged into the primary account you intend to keep as your main one. This ensures a smooth and correct linking experience. After selecting your desired platform, the game will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This typically involves opening a web browser or an in-game window. You will then need to enter the login credentials for your second Marvel Rivals account. Once you have successfully entered these details, the system will process the request. Always look for a clear confirmation message, such as accounts linked successfully, to ensure the process is complete. To confirm your accounts are linked, return to the Account section in your game settings. You should now see both accounts listed as connected. With your accounts successfully linked, you can enjoy benefits like shared game progress, unified friends lists, and potentially cross-platform play, depending on the game's features. If you encounter any difficulties or error messages during these steps, do not hesitate to reach out to the game's official customer support for assistance. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.